Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Dodge Charger with the key inside. First, always check if you have a spare key. It's the easiest solution. If not, carefully inspect all doors and the trunk for any overlooked unlocked points. If these simple steps don't work, contacting a professional locksmith is your safest and most reliable option to regain access without damage. If you're comfortable with a DIY approach, a slim jim or a wedge can be helpful. Gently insert a wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame to create a small opening. This gap allows you to slide in a long reach tool. With precision, you can then attempt to hook the door lock mechanism or press the unlock button on the interior panel. Another common DIY method involves a straightened wire coat hanger. Unbend the hanger, leaving a small hook at one end. Carefully slide the hooked end between the window and the weather stripping on the door. The goal is to maneuver the hook to catch the interior door handle or the manual lock button. Patience is key for this technique. To avoid future lockouts, consider these preventative measures. Always carry a spare key in a separate location, perhaps in your wallet or with a trusted friend. A magnetic key holder discreetly placed under your vehicle can also be a lifesaver. Furthermore, many modern Dodge Chargers offer remote access through a smartphone app, providing a convenient unlock option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.